It's a pleasure to meet all of you. In this video we shall learn, what are the factors must be considered before interpret the radiographic film of welded joints precisely. These factors are described below as 1. Material, thickness, welding process, radiographic technique, type of film. 2. Viewer. 3. Densitometer or step wedge comparison film. 4. Quality of radiographic film. 5. Job details on radiographic film. 6. Image quality indicator, IQI, verification. 7. Sensitivity requirement. Separately, these factors are elaborated in details as: first factor is material, since few defects depends upon types of material. For example, oxidation in the root pass available only in the material which having chromium 5% or more, like stainless steel, few alloys, etc. Thickness, lower thickness material, usually very light defect indication. Welding process, different welding process usually causes different defect. Like GTO may causes tungsten inclusion, SMA may causes slag inclusion, etc. Radiographic technique, different technique has different impression on RT film. Like X-ray, gamma ray, double wall single image, Z, double wall double image DWI, panoramic shot, etc. Type of film. What type of film is being used? Class I or 2 or 3, Class 4 not used for industrial purpose. Since different film having different contrast, Class I highest contrast and Class 4 lowest contrast. Second factor is viewer. As per ASME Sec V Clause 9 234, viewing facilities shall provide subdued background lighting of an intensity that will not cause reflections, shadows or glare on the monitor that interfere with the interpretation process. Note: at the time of interpretation a transparent scale should be there to evaluate the size of defect. Third factor is densitometer or step wedge comparison film. These devices are to be used to detect the density of radiographic film and to evaluate the defect, like inadequate reinforcement. As per ASME Sec VT 282.1, density limitation of radiographic film would be minimum 2 and maximum 4. Note: for further condition go through the above mentioned clause. Fourth factor is quality of radiographic film. As per ASME Sec V Clause T281, radiographic film should be free from mechanical, chemical, or other blemishes like fogging, processing defect, scratches, finger marks, crimps, etc. that they mask or creates confusion with the image of any discontinuity in the area of interest of the object being radiographed. Fifth factor is job details on radiographic film. As per ASME Sec V Clause T224, a system shall be used to produce permanent identification on each radiograph which is traceable as per contract or company norms. Sixth factor is IQI verification. Image quality indicator, IQI, shall be verified from Table T276 of ASME Sec V. So that to ensure that correct IQI is placed or not. For dimension of diameter of hole or wire type IQI, kindly refer SE 1025 for hole type or SE 747 for wire type of ASME Sec V. Tips: for quick reference, find the 2% value of job thickness and find that this diameter in lower size is available or not in IQI, pentameter. Seventh factor is sensitivity requirement. Since sensitivity of radiographic film represents the smallest size of defect can be detected by RT film. As per ASME Sec V Clause T283.1, radiograph must display essential wire/hole diameter which is mentioned in Table T276 of ASME Sec V. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like the video and subscribe my channel for knowledge enhancing video.